In this video, we will be learning about the trade window. Once the customer has committed to the vehicle or vehicles they are trading, and you're ready to add the vehicle information to LightYear, the trade button is going to be your next stop. Note, LightYear requires you to assign a stock number at this point. Click Insert to initiate this process. If the customer has no currently owned vehicles attached to their customer ID, previous purchases, or cars brought in for service, you'll be prompted to manually enter the entire VIN. If the guest has currently owned vehicles attached to their customer ID, you will be able to select the vehicle from this list. Note, if the guest is trading a vehicle not on this list, select Insert a vehicle not listed. You'll then be prompted to enter the VIN of the trade. The system will then decode the VIN and populate as much vehicle detail as possible. Verify the information. Input the desired stock number for the trade. Note, LightYear has some options for stock number automation that we will be happy to explain while on site. The default is manual stock number entry. When a payoff is present, go to the Payoff tab to enter the trade payoff details. If there are multiple trades, make sure to input the ACV for the displayed vehicle only. Click OK in the upper right-hand corner of the trade window to save your trade information. If there are multiple trades, repeat the above steps starting with click Insert. LightYear can accommodate up to 3 trades. Congratulations, you have successfully learned about the trade window.